Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing between Celsius and Fahrenheit on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your car is using temperature units that you are not familiar with, it can be very confusing to try to understand the temperature. Don't worry, it's very easy to change the temperature units in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the system settings and tap Units. Tap the current temperature unit to the right of Temperature. As you can see, my car's temperature units have been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.